Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Donna Lisa here with Zula Info. All right, we are at Home Goods. Um, I've never really shopped at Home Goods. I came the other day. They had some decent things. When I first walked in the store, I was a little taken back because it kind of reminded me of not Hobby Lobby, Kirkland's. I'm not a big fan of Kirkland's, but they had some good stuff in the store. So I didn't see. I saw some things and I didn't have enough time. So let's go in the store and see what we can run up on today. We're always looking for some nice goods. So let's see what we can run up on today. And always look for a part 2, part 3 on my videos, guys. Do that. Okay. Oh, I've always thought these were cute. $12.99. These are cute for Christmas. $14.99. The Christmas season is upon us. These are really cute for decorative stuff. Oh, look at this big one back here. $29.99. That's cute. Who's into Christmas decor? The nativity scene, are you into that? $14.99. Okay. Oh yeah, this is unique stuff. See, I wouldn't like anything like this for Christmas, but I guess that's cute to give somebody, you know? What's this piece right here? Okay. Oh, they still have some Halloween stuff out. They do. These Christmas tree things are $39.99. I don't know what you can do with that. Oh, that little $49.99. It's always good to have a nice gingerbread house. I don't really think that's my scene. This is good if you're having a party. Now, I like these serving dishes. That's really nice. Especially if you're having a holiday party. That's $7.99. That's a good price. And you see these little plates. $9.99. Oh, those are heavy. That's nice. So now we're kind of getting into the meat and potato things. Excuse me, guys. I'm still dealing with that bronchial infection. $5.99. That's nice. Okay. like this. Maybe I'll do Christmas. That Santa Claus is $69. You see that? Oh. Okay. This nice bell here. I don't see a price. Snowman is $99. Okay. $99. Christmas tree. Okay. This would be cute for you coffee drinkers. I don't drink coffee, but you know, if you have people over for the holidays, that's unique. A little peppermint dust. And you can give somebody this as a gift, but you gotta know that they like that minty flavor, you know? But this is what they like, that minty flavor. Must have, now this is a little larger than what we just saw. Oh, and this is Martha Stewart also. Must be from Martha Stewart home. Let's see if I see a price. Okay, there we go. $179. And for those of you that's asking, there's your Black Santa. Okay. Or maybe. That's cute. I think that's really, really cute. I like that. $179. Now that would be nice to have for a Christmas party. I would definitely be interested in something like this. But we're not in the house yet. I'm surprised they don't have any trees. And they got this little thing here for $129. Those of you that don't really want a big tree and you don't want to put anything up, that would be cute. Very cute. Okay, guys, see the stuff they have here. It's nice stuff. Rachel Zoe, you remember Rachel Zoe? $5.99. Ah. Oh, it's stuck. So they got everything here. The nice candles. So, yeah. Those of you that's in the Christmas spirit and you want to decorate, think about the Rudolph. And that's $29.99. Can you see it? That's cute. To have like some cookies in there. That is so cute. Oh gosh, look at this Mickey Mouse thing. That's $29.99 also. That's cute. You can buy it, decorate, and then put it up for next year. That is so cute. $9.99. That's cute. Now those are cute gifts. This Mr. and Mrs. Claus salt and pepper shaker for $7.99. Giving someone at the office or something like a Christmas gift like that for an office party. Excellent. These coffee cups, if they drink coffee, make sure they drink coffee. This right here is $99. That is so cute. But you want to make sure they drink coffee. Okay. You have a lot of unique stuff. Oh, this Martha Stewart. A lot of home goods. Oh my. Okay. You see the little gnomes and trees. These trees are $29.99. And look at this. Nicole Miller tablecloth. Now these are nice. $14.99 for the tablecloths. Look at this. See that? How cool is that? Glad I was able to do this. We won't do, this goes at the table runner, $19.99. We won't do a lot of Christmas stuff, so holiday stuff, but mistletoe towels. They're stocking and they have a lot of stuff. Okay, guys. You have towels here. All right, guys. We're gonna stay tuned for part 2. But this is all. I just want to just give you a little bit of the Christmas stuff that they have here. You know, some things that they have here. Picture frames and stuff like that. All right, guys, let's get to it. Stay tuned for part 2.